everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can change your Android mobile phone dark or white theme. If you are using white theme and you want to change into dark theme, then you can change from your white into dark theme and vice versa. So how you will change your Android mobile phone theme? For that, just open your mobile phone settings. If you have any mobile, any model, but your mobile must be Android, just click on this setting option and just scroll down, and you will find an option called display. Here in my model, mobile Android model is showing as display and brightness. But if you have another mobile phone, then you must be the option will be as a display. Display is the option that will be available in every mobile phone. So you will click on this display option, and now in display option, here you can see a option called dark theme, and now currently it is enabled. So when I disable this, you will see this. My dark theme has been converted into white theme. So now again when I will enable this, my theme has been converted into dark theme. So this is the way how you can convert from your dark to white theme or white to dark theme in any Android mobile phone.